What's up? Chris Eaton from Accepted Resignation here, guys. Today I'm going to show you what I think actually matters when you travel with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And spoiler alert, no, I'm not going to shove it into my skinny jeans and go film myself drinking an iced macchiato at Starbucks, all right? I'm not that guy, all right? I put together a real world travel ready setup that protects my gear, it covers every scenario I could run into, and keeps everything kind of locked down in one case. It's not minimal and it's definitely not cute, but it's effective as hell. So let's get into it. So here's the Pocket 3 marketing fairy tale, right? It's called the Pocket 3, man, because you could just throw it in your pocket and go. Yeah, no, I don't use it that way. And if you're out there filming for clients, yourself, or just giving a crap about audio, lighting, stabilization, then whether you could fit this thing in your pocket is irrelevant. I don't carry this thing like an under 30 vlogger with a nose ring. Not saying I don't love how small it is. All right, I'm just saying. One of the things I want to mention is that this camera just simply is worth more now than when I purchased it. And that's why the first thing I ditched was those soft shell pouches everyone's raving about on Amazon. The 30 bucks of vinyl stitched into a zipper bag? Nah, they're mostly trash. Zero protection. Now, I do quickly want to say that this setup is the way that I do it, and it works for me. Okay? If you want to stick the camera in your pocket and go somewhere and film, do whatever you want, okay? I'm just saying that this works for me. All right, that being said, this is the foundation of the kit. It's called the Lucafee Waterproof Hard Case. Now, it's waterproof, it's shockproof, it's solid as hell. It's got custom foam cutouts that don't just protect, it organizes. Everything has a place, and when I crack it open, I'm not digging through Velcro hell to find an ND filter. It fits the Pocket 3 and the Creator Combo accessories, and then some. Okay, because yeah, I Frankensteined this rig into something a little bit extra, but trust me, it's extra on purpose. Let's go through the tools of the trade and why they're in my case. First up, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the Creator Combo, obviously. That's the core of it all. It's compact, it has great image quality, and the wireless DJI Mic 2 is the real deal for fast, great audio. I also packed the DJI Mic Minis because redundancy matters. Gear fails. This is my insurance policy, and sometimes, believe it or not, I need clear audio for two people. Then there's the Insta360 140 centimeter invisible selfie stick, I think it's called. I use it when I want more dynamic movement. It's stable, it's clean, and it doesn't show up in the shot, which is actually pretty cool. I carry a full set of newer ND filters because I'm not here to shoot blown out footage like I'm filming a toothpaste commercial. Okay, I used to hate them, but now ND filters are non-negotiable, and I use them all the time with the Pocket 3. I also run the Ulanzi PKO6 expansion adapter. This thing turns the Pocket 3 into a real rig, okay? It has a cold shoe mount, mic support, light mount. If you're not running something like this, you're still in tourist mode as far as use of this camera. Power-wise, I keep a K&F Concept charging adapter base in the kit. It lets me charge and shoot at the same time with a power bank or wall outlet. That alone has saved my ass more than once. For tabletop or static shots, I pack a magnetic desktop base mount. It's super convenient. And when I need something a little beefier but still compact, I use the Zhanyun or whatever the hell it's called mini tripod base. This thing's a tank for its size, and it also screws right into the base of the Insta360 selfie stick to have like a little monopod in situations where I need it. I also toss in the Ulanzi Super Clamp with a magic arm. That's the Swiss Army knife of mounts. I've clamped the Pocket 3 to railings, desks, branches, chairs, you name it. It gives me real world flexibility without dragging a full tripod everywhere I go. And of course, I never travel without a multi tool and an extra memory card. Basic, but essential. Now, look, I get it. This is overkill, all right? But it's overkill on purpose. I don't want to open my bag and wonder where my mic is. I don't want to panic if I lose daylight or run out of juice. I don't want to fumble around on location trying to figure out how to mount this thing on a park bench. Every piece in this case solves a problem. Every tool earns its weight. And honestly, I'd rather carry around a small, solid case than some cheap ass sling with Velcro flaps and hope to God that it doesn't rain. So, yeah, could I travel a little lighter? Yeah, sure. But again, I'm not shooting or filming a Starbucks vlog. Hopefully, I'm filming content that's supposed to last, not just float around Instagram Reels for 3 days and then die. If you're serious about using a Pocket 3 as a legit tool, build a kit that reflects that. All right? Protect your gear. Prepare for anything, and then have a plan B on top of that. I'll drop links to everything I use down below if you want to build something similar. You got questions? Hit the comments. And hey, if you're over 40 and you're still out here creating and refusing to shrink yourself into the TikTok toy box, you're my kind of people. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, my friends, stay loud, give more than you take, and go out and make something. Thanks, guys.